Hey there, what's up friends, and welcome you to my YouTube channel Senu Crafts. And today we are going to create this awesome miniature Samsung Galaxy Fold, the newly released flagship smartphone of the company Samsung. Hey there, what's up friends, and welcome to the creation of the all-new Samsung Galaxy Fold smartphone. So today we are going to create this awesome miniature Samsung Galaxy Fold. So guys, I think you know what is this Samsung Galaxy Fold. This is one of the brand new or the latest flagship smartphones of the company Samsung. They have created it to withstand with other Samsung smartphones and to the Apple smartphones. So far Apple has not released a foldable smartphone. So we are looking forward for the Apple's foldable smartphone. Nevertheless, we are on to our creation. We are going to create the miniature version of the Samsung Galaxy Fold smartphone. So this includes the realistic or the approximate packaging of the original Samsung Galaxy Fold device. So its box has an unusual opening type that when we unfold the two cover slides, the box outermost appear. So we can't get that effect in this miniature video, but however we will get the original effect up to some extent. So here what you can see after you have pasted the Samsung Galaxy Fold, and now we are going to cut out the inner side or the inner box of the Samsung Galaxy Fold device. So if you have seen an unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy Fold device, you would notice that hundreds of boxes are included in this packaging. So inside the box, another box, inside that box, two white colored box, and inside that also there's the device. So here only I'm going to insert a few of the packages because no space for much packagings in this small miniature box. So I also remind you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel once again, and also sorry for not being active or publishing a video last 2 weeks, I guess so. So I had some personal problems and I was failed to render a video. So at last today I created this Samsung Galaxy Fold awesome miniature device. So now I'm going to measure the length or the dimensions that is needed to create this Samsung Galaxy Fold in a space box. The space box should be approximately this side of it, and here's the space that we need for the inner box to be fit in. So I have used 2 of 1 inch styrofoam sheets. So you can use 2-inch styrofoam sheet, that's up to your preferences. So however I have now created the side approximately ideal for the Samsung Galaxy Fold packaging. So now color on your Samsung Galaxy Fold in a smart space. So make sure that you use black color because it gives you more realistic feeling than any other colors. So I would like to give you a tip by telling you to use platinums or permanent markers because it's more suitable than using watercolors or fabric colors or like paint like stuff. So here I have fast forward the video of creating this part. And also guys, you can subscribe to me on SNUPPS, or SNUPPS follow me snupps.com/Senu Crafts. So I was not active in the last 2 weeks in that also. I'm sure I'll be active in the coming weeks. So now like this we have created the box completely, the outer box, and now we have to move to the inner box and the device areas. So this is the pre-mentioned the 2 white colored inner boxes that we can found in the middle box of the Samsung Galaxy Fold packaging. So I have inserted 3 designs of device, one blue color, black color, and a white color, white or silver, I don't know. So also I have inserted the front display too. So this included 2 displays according to Samsung's theory. So I would prefer more blue color as it's my favorite color. And when you cut out your favorite colors, you can paste them out with super glue, or not use super glue, white binder glue. So let them dry about 15 minutes, and when they have dried, you can go on to the part of the 6er panorama cover. So this panorama cover, I think you have noticed what it is. It's a cover packaging that makes this packaging unique or viral. So you can watch an unboxing video of the Samsung official site that makes this panorama cover viral cover for the packaging. So we can make it so viral. And also I have folded our realistic Samsung Galaxy Fold to give it a more realistic look. But I was fair to create the outstanding appearance when we unfold the box packaging. So however guys, I have created up to far more areas of the Samsung Galaxy Fold device, unboxing areas, and now we have left is only to do the wrapping things of the Samsung Galaxy Fold device. So guys, when considering or when working out with these things, be sure you carry out your activities in a very preferred or in a very standard safety manner, because using with blades is so sharp and so dangerous. And like this, I measured the length of the panorama cover printout. So then, according to your length preferences, you can cut it out. So friends, after cutting it out, you can paste it with binder glue to give it a fast bond. And that's it guys, we have creating the Samsung Galaxy Fold with the panorama case in it. See you! So that friends, you just the tutorial of creating this awesome miniature Samsung Galaxy Fold. So I think guys, you know about this awesome new release flagship smartphone of the company Samsung. And this was one of the main checkpoints in the creation of smartphones, because this phone has the ability to fold in 2 parts, 2 equal parts, that makes the Samsung Galaxy Fold series unique. And also the Huawei company also has released Huawei Mate X1. I don't know much information about it. So however, today I created the Samsung Galaxy Fold miniature version with its absolute packages, with this awesome unfolding package and the inner package and that in package, and also the zigzag panorama cover. So friends, I think that's it for my today's video. And if you like this video, leave a like and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share this video with your friends to show them what I have done. So friends, I think that's it for today. Till next time, have a great and great weekend. Bye friends. And also sorry for not publishing a video since last month. And again, bye.